Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things technology and software development. Today, we'll be talking about Agile methodology, an approach to software development that has become increasingly popular over the years. What is Agile methodology? So, what exactly is Agile methodology? Simply put, Agile is a set of values and principles that prioritize flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction in software development. Rather than following a rigid plan, Agile focuses on adaptive planning, continuous improvement, and delivering value to the customer in incremental chunks. How does Agile work? At its core, Agile is a collaborative and iterative approach. It involves breaking down a larger project into smaller, more manageable pieces called iterations or sprints, which typically last 1 or 4 weeks. Each iteration involves a cross-functional team of developers, designers, and stakeholders who work together to complete a specific set of tasks and deliver a working product increment. The Agile Manifesto. Agile methodology is based on the Agile Manifesto, a document created by a group of software developers in 2001. The manifesto outlines 4 key values and 12 principles that guide Agile development. The 4 values are: 1. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. 2. Working software over comprehensive documentation. 3. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. 4. Responding to change over following a plan. Benefits of Agile methodology. There are many benefits to using Agile methodology in software development. One of the biggest advantages is that it allows teams to respond quickly to changing requirements and customer feedback, which can lead to higher customer satisfaction and better business outcomes. Additionally, Agile helps to foster collaboration and teamwork, which can lead to better communication, higher productivity, and improved quality. So, there you have it, Agile methodology in a nutshell. While Agile is not a one-size-fits-all solution, it can be a great approach for teams looking to increase flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction in their software development process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join our community by subscribing to our channel and following us on social media. We'll see you in the next one.